The best health quotes. The greatest wealth is health. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Health is a vehicle, not a destination. When the heart is at ease, the body is healthy. In a disordered mind, as in a disordered body, soundness of health is impossible. Your health is what you make of it. Everything you do and think either adds to the vitality, energy, and spirit you possess or takes away from it. Good health and good sense are two of life's greatest blessings. Give a man health and a course to steer, and he'll never stop to trouble about whether he's happy or not. The scientific truth may be put quite briefly: eat moderately, having an ordinary mixed diet, and don't worry. Happiness is nothing more than good health and a bad memory. Before healing others, heal yourself. I believe that the greatest gift you can give your family and the world is a healthy you. Moderation. Small helpings. Sample a little bit of everything. These are the secrets of happiness and good health. Nobody can be in good health if he does not have all the time fresh air, sunshine, and good water. The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn for the past, not to worry about the future, or not to anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly. Keeping your body healthy is an expression of gratitude to the whole cosmos, the trees, the clouds, everything. Life is like a tree and its root is consciousness. Therefore, once we tend the root, the tree as a whole will be healthy. True friendship is like sound health. The value of it is seldom known until it is lost. Good humor is the health of the soul, sadness is its poison. Sickness, nature's vengeance for violating her laws. After dinner rest a while, after supper walk a mile. In order to change, we must be sick and tired of being sick and tired. The wish for healing has always been half of health. Your body hears everything your mind says.